it been since you've danced? Or how long has it been since you've led a change or been part of a change? If you're like me, you've probably experienced more change than you have dancing lately. But this module has been designed to help provoke ideas about change leadership, and we're using the metaphor of leadership as a dance to try and reflect and think of new ideas about leadership and followership. Heifetz was one of the first ones to use this idea of a metaphor of leading as dance, and he talked about leaders having perspectives both on the balcony and the dance floor. Leaders need to have a strategic view of the dance floor to see how everybody is moving together, as well as being able to move among the dancers on the dance floor to see what's happening. This module's been designed for you to think about the relationship between leaders and followers. It's based on the work of Eric and English, who talk about leadership being like a dance, and they identify 5 tensions that leaders of change have to think about. There's the tension between the mind and the body or emotions, between having a hierarchy or a democratic approach, between discipline and passion, status quo, social change, and whether you're going to be traditional or innovative. To help you learn how to navigate these tensions, we're going to introduce you to 4 frames of leadership that Bolman and Deal speak about. We want you to think about what Eric and English talk about when they say that leadership is not a recipe. It's something that involves the embodied performance of a leader and followers. It's a relational, dynamic thing that draws on your artistry and your ethics. This module's been designed with some readings that you can follow up or not as your fancy takes you. There's a library guide with extra resources. There's real stories where we're encouraging you to reflect. And there's a challenge at the end asking you to think about what is your vision for change and to create a product that you can go and use in your workplace or your sporting club or even maybe your family. You want them to change. I hope that you are ready to have a great learning adventure, and we invite you to start learning some steps about leading change and creating followership.